Welcome to our comprehensive guide on video editing for YouTube in 2025. Get ready to learn the viral formula that can help your videos reach new heights. First, let's explore the top editing software options available this year. Finding the right tool is crucial for seamless editing. Next, let's break down the viral formula. What are the key elements that make content highly shareable? Let's dive in. Creating engaging intros and outros is vital. These are your first and last impressions, so make them count. Transitions and effects enhance visual storytelling. However, less is often more, so use them wisely. The right music and sound effects bring your video to life. Let's discuss how to effectively incorporate audio. Finding the sweet spot for video length is crucial for maintaining viewer attention. Let's explore optimal times for various content types. Adding text and graphics can help deliver your message. Learn effective ways to utilize overlays and lower thirds. A well-graded video looks polished. Let's discuss essential techniques for color correction and grading. Finally, let's cover best practices for finalizing and exporting your video for YouTube uploads.